How to get voice chat on Roblox. Hello guys, this is Atticus from Create Login and Delete, back with another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can get voice chat on Roblox. So now let's get started. First, open up your Roblox. After you open your Roblox, go to the More on bottom right. After you do so, scroll down till you see Settings. After you find Settings, tap on it, and now you'll get your settings of different areas. Tap on account info, and after you tap on account info, scroll down. Now what you'll need to do first before you can get voice chat on Roblox is you need to verify your age. So tap on verify my age, and after you do so, you will need to have your valid ID. Just tap on start session, and after you tap on start session, you'll have to keep your ID with you. So tap on begin. So it might take some time depending on your internet speed. Tap on your country, tap on select, and now you need to click a photo of your passport. It might be passport, you can use your citizenship too, or you can use your driver's license. So after you go through this process, what you'll need to do is you'll need to go to privacy, and under privacy you will get an option that says enable voice chat. Tap on enable voice chat, and after you do so, you will get the voice chat on Roblox, and it's that simple guys. So yeah, all you need is your verification ID. It can be your passport, it can be your citizenship card, or it can be your driver's license. So that is how you do it guys. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, leave a like down below and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos. Bye bye.